Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Odysee login problems, wallet and account errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with your Odysee account, you are not alone. First, ensure that you are using the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions in the email you received to reset your password. If you continue to have trouble logging in, check if your account has been suspended or banned. You can do this by visiting the Odysee support page for more information. Next, verify if your internet connection is stable. A weak connection could cause login issues. If everything seems fine on your end, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Once that's done, attempt to log in again. If you are using the mobile app, ensure that it's updated to the latest version. Sometimes, older versions can lead to compatibility issues. If you're still unable to log in, it might be related to your wallet. Check if your wallet has sufficient funds for transactions or if it's linked properly to your account. In some cases, logging out and logging back in might resolve temporary glitches. If these steps do not work, consider using a different web browser or device. This can help rule out browser-specific problems. If you suspect a more significant issue, reach out to Odysee's support team. Provide them with detailed information about your problem for quicker resolution. Using these steps should help you address common login issues with Odysee. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.